Welcome to the in front of me Motorola Moto G60, and I'll show you how to customize text-to-speech on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and scroll down to the system section. Now just tap to the advanced options. And now just go to the languages and input. And here tap to the advanced options. And here you will see the text-to-speech output section. Just tap there, and as can you see here, we can change our text-to-speech. Here you can switch the language to the other one what you want, but I'll stay with the system language. And now you can here just change the speech rate and pitch. Okay, I'll just enable the media. And here you can check the changes by tapping just here to play. You can also just speech only speech rate.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
Or also you can just change only the pitch.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
Really funny. So, and if you wanna just reset your changes, just tap here to reset, and
this is an example of speech synthesis in English.
You'll hear the default text-speech settings. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe our channel.